Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about the word meaning concerning to the whatever in between it is merged with the script or script. That exactly meaning is to write. As you can see how exactly subscribe you have got here subscribe. So here script has been given. So here subscribe opposite is unsubscribe. Whoever is watching, please subscribe this, do not unsubscribe. So I want you guys to go through whatever the slide have been given. Here we have add script, that is written in addition is an add script. We have ascribe means that is to consider that something is caused by a particular thing or person, that is attribute as well as impute, these are all ascribe. So please remember that. So considering something caused by a particular thing. Circumscribe, to draw a line around, restrict, confine, these are all circumscribe. So whatever the circumscribing around the triangle will take place, that is to draw a line around, restrict or confine something. We have conscription, compulsory enrollment of persons into the armed forces, that is conscriptions. We have during the war time this kind of situation arises, so where you have to conscribe the cavalry. So that is also known as draft, is also known as conscription. Describe, to say what somebody something is like, that is narrating something is describing. We have indescribable, unable to be described is indescribable, which cannot be described. Inscribe means to write or cut words you are named onto something is inscribe. We have the manuscript, a book or other document written by hand or on a typewriter, that is a manuscript. We have the non-descript, that is difficult to describe or classify due to lack of character or form, that is even you call it as dull. As you can see to the right side of this picture how exactly the descript and non-descript have been taken place. So where you will find it is very difficult to describe. Over subscribe is, that is to subscribe for in excess of what is available or required is over subscribe. We have next postscript, an extra message that you add at the end of a letter after use signature. This is what postscript, it's also known as addendum. Please remember that an extra message that you add at the end of the letter after your signature is addendum, that is a postscript. To the right side we used to write that addendum. Prescribe means literally to write beforehand, to lay down as a rule or guide, that is stipulate, these are all prescribe something. Proscribe means to say officially that something is banned, prohibit, disallow, this is one thing which is important. Proscribe means to say officially that something is banned, prohibit and disallow is proscribe. Rescript means something that is rewritten is rescript. Rewriting decree issued by a ruler is rescript, which is something that is rewritten. Rewriting decree issued by a ruler, that is the one rescript. I request you to check where you will find 800 plus question papers for various examinations. Have a look, it will be very good for you guys. We have the scribble, to write something quickly and carelessly, especially because you do not have much time, that is also known as scrawl. So to write something quickly and carelessly, especially because you do not have much time, that is scrawl. We have the scribe, a person who made copies of written documents before printing was invented, that is we will call him as penman. So he is a person who made copies of written documents before printing was invented is scribe, that is penman. Script, handwriting distinguished from printing. As we knew that one type of writing is also a script. There are manuscript, there are various scripts on the stones also. We have scriptorium. Script means writing, a room, a writing room, especially in monastery you will find this kind of scriptorium. As you can see to the right how exactly the scriptorium looks like, how they are mentioning whatever the principles and whatever the study concerning to the religious activities. Scripture means a passage from the Bible is scripture. Script writer, a writer who prepares scripts for movies, radio, television, etc. is a script writer. He start giving script writing prior to the movie. If the script is good, then the movie be made on that story. Subscribe means to sign one's name at the end of a document is subscribe. As you can see, we should remember that this subscribing to sign one's name at the end of the document. So that name is given is subscribe, and even that subscribing, as you can see, this channel is subscribed, so that is also subscribed one thing. Subscript means written below. Whatever the written has been given below, that is a subscript. After the text, it is given as a whatever the text has been given, that is subscript. Superscript means to written above. So here writing something on the above to that, that is superscript. Transcribe means to write or type a copy of spoken material as dictation, lectures, court proceeding. So during the court or wherever sessions have happened, there is a shorthand writer who used to write everything, or they have to record them, and further that recording will be transcribed to a Word document. So that is transcribing. We have next transcript, a written copy of spoken material, that is transcript. Typescript, a type written copy of something, that is whatever you say that will be typed, that is typescript. Unsubscribe, we knew that to remove your email address from an internet mailing list. As you can see, if you don't like this channel, you can unsubscribe. That is one thing you want to remove from this channel, so that can be unsubscribed. Unscribe means to remove your email address from an internet mailing list is unscribe. This is one thing, to remove your email address from an internet mailing list, that is unscribe. Both are same. Not written or prepared in detail in advance, that is unscripted. Means whatever has been scripted, it is not given in a full manner, not given in a full advanced detail. Opposite is scripted. This is one thing you have to remember. As you can see, if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS, you can directly call me on my mobile 7666730252. Feel free to call, and if you think there is any corrections to be corrected, please let me know. Have a good day, have a great life, and I want your feedback by giving marks out of 100 in the comment section. Thank you. Have a good day, have a great life.